Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yurisa Anindya. I'm from class 10 RPL1. Today I will tell you a descriptive text about Taj Mahal. Let's start it. Taj Mahal, an epitome of love, is actually a mausoleum, standing majestically on the banks of river Yamuna. Taj Mahal was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife and queen. The name Taj Mahal was derived from the name of his wife, Mumtaz Mahal, which means crown of palaces. Taj Mahal represents the finest architectural and artistic achievement. The mausoleum was constructed of pure white marble. The white marble is inlaid with semi-precious stones that form the intricate designs. Its central dome reaches a height of 240 feet or 73 meters. The dome is surrounded by four smaller domes. Four slender towers or minarets stand at the corners. Inside the mausoleum, an octagonal marble chamber adorned with carvings and semi-precious stone housed the false tomb of Mumtaz Mahal. Her actual remains lie below at garden level. Taj Mahal shows shades of magnificent beauty at different times during the day. At dawn, when the first rays of the sun hit the dome of this epic monument, it radiates like a heavenly pinkish palace. At daytime, when the sky is bright and clear, it looks milky white. At a moonlight night, when the full moon's rays reflect back from the white marble and give the Taj Mahal a tint of blue color, it's simply breathtaking. With such beauty, no wonder that Taj Mahal becomes one of the seven wonders of the world. That's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.